When it comes to video work, yes, I do a heck of a lot of video work. It seems as though that's become one of the hotter tickets. Working on videos. So I spend a lot of time developing video work. Be it on Vimeo, on YouTube, or just on private channels on websites. Even little excerpts and things that show up on Netflix and other media channels or whatever. So video can be very, very important. There might be something like a very basic commercial. I'll turn this down so it doesn't make too much racket, but there might be a commercial for a product or a service that you're doing. So working on that, getting voice talents. So I'll hire the voice talents. I'll do the voiceover script. I'll work on the artwork, and I'll do actual live videoing, of different things, and putting things together for people so that they have sort of a fun product commercial. So that can be very useful when it comes to products. But a lot of times it's just basically entertainment. Um, People want to be either educated or entertained, and most people want the ability to see stuff, right? You just want to watch it. So this one here, this killer tacky product, we have a strongman and how he uses this tacky and puts it on, and it'll actually go through him lifting the stones and all that kind of stuff, and that takes a lot of video work to be able to put that together. So video work is becoming very, very, very popular. Is it expensive? Sure, it can be kind of expensive to create. Sometimes the video is actually more like animation, right? Sometimes I put videos together for myself, and sort of how to, like in this case here, how to create an infographic, part one. So actually do this in fast motion to kind of walk through putting together an infographic. It'd be kind of fun to watch or whatever. But so doing videos, I don't know. I love putting videos together, and I just find that I do a lot of video work. So like if I go even to, see if I can get over here and show you. If I go to my channel, if I go to YouTube, for example, I have several different channels that I will go to. And create stuff. So I'm a martial artist, so I do a lot of my own video work when it comes to teaching martial arts. So you'll have like all these videos you see teaching martial arts. Those are all, I create all of those. So I will actually go out and get the raw footage and put it together to assemble and put into video. So I don't know. I think it can be very, very useful depending on your budget and what it is you're trying to accomplish. So definitely do a lot of video work.